Hello everyone, I'm Sanidhya Tiwari and I'm going to present on the topic Design of Car Dashboards for the course Automotive Systems. So let's start. So the topic is Design of Dashboard of a Car. So this is the outline that we are going to follow throughout the presentation. First, starting with what is a car dashboard, its history, evolution, constituents, and ending with the approach to the design of dashboards. So why present on car dashboards? As most would already know, dashboards are present for drivers to keep track of information about the car. The items on a car's dashboard remind you when it's time to get gas, tell you how fast you are going, and warn you if there might be a problem with your car. We're also going to learn about dash cams, which are even used for solving crimes related to car thefts, accidents, etc. So it is indeed important to learn a little about dashboards. The definition of a car dashboard is as follows. It is a control panel, usually located directly ahead of a vehicle's driver, displaying instrumentation and controls for the vehicle operation. Over the years, the features associated with the dashboards have changed and, in fact, increased a lot, assisting the driver of a car in the vehicle's operation. Originally, dashboard was a barrier fixed at the front of a horse-drawn sleigh. However, as car design evolved to position the motor in front of the driver, the dashboard became a panel that protected vehicle occupants from the heat and oil of the engine. With gradually increasing mechanical complexity, this panel formed a convenient location for the placement of gauges and minor controls. And from this evolved the modern instrumental panel, although retaining its archaic common name. So let's talk about the evolution of dashboards. From software to hardware, it is always interesting to see what design iterations appear in the first few rounds of a revolutionary product. So as we can look in the first photograph, Model T was for the first ever car built for the common man. Devised by Henry Ford in 1909, automobile technology was in its infancy. Looking at the dashboard on the 1923 model, the only measurement phase is that of an ammeter. In the second picture, luxury vehicles like Maybach above had better performance than Model T and explored a larger set of features. The third photo, in the 1940s and 50s, design style involved an exorbitant amount of gauges and dials on dashboards, as reflected in the Imperial. And the last photograph we have Plymouth Fury by Larry W. Baker in 1965. So continuing with the observation of car dashboard evolution, in this daring Corvette interior in the first photograph, you can see a magnum opus of this era with an involved dashboard. In 1993, from the sporty to the standard, we can see a shift from style to comfort emerge. Air conditioning, cup holders, and speed gauges on the dashboard emerge as utilitarian priorities, like commuting to work and engaging in long road trips, become the norm. In 2004, the Saturn encapsulates the classic 2000 era car interface with a gear shifter on the lower part of the driver's right hand and a transition from cassette tapes to a CD player. If you look back at the previous dashboards, many of the buttons have a wide horizontal orientation. The Saturn's condensed vertical control panel allows the driver to control every aspect of the car with relative ease. Now, coming to the fourth photograph in 2012, Tesla S series. In the Tesla, we see an entirely digital dashboard with a 17-inch screen. This car has application features and updates just like a smartphone with regular software upgrades. Its dashboard has minimal physical buttons, only for the hazard light and some basic controls on the steering wheel. A major advantage of a digital interface is its adaptability and opportunities for personalization. Also, the flexibility of software means that it is constantly being iterated upon by the Tesla development team. Therefore, even older models will have their software and user interface up to date, unlike cars with physical dashboards. The key to the next great car dashboard design will always have to take into account all the successes of the past and augment them with technology of the current day. The next we have the dashboard constituents. Whereas the dashboard originally included an array of simple controls and instrumentation to show speed, fuel level, and oil pressure, modern dashboard accommodates a broad array of gauges and controls as well as information, climate control, and entertainment systems. Contemporary dashboards may include the speedometer, tachometer, odometer, engine coolant, temperature gauge, temperature gauge, and fuel gauge. Turn indicators, gear shift position indicator, seat belt warning light, parking brake warning light, and engine malfunction lights. Other features may also include a gauge for alternator voltage, indicators for low pressure, low oil pressure, low fuel, low tire pressure, and faults in the airbag systems, as well as heating and ventilation systems, lighting controls, safety systems, entertainment equipment, and information systems. So, coming on to the topic of dashboard camera, in short known as dash cams. Dash cam is a recording device that provides clear visual evidence in the case of insurance disputes or false accusations after an unfortunate incident. A quality dash cam is good investment in both safety and peace of mind. It is a surveillance oriented video recorder that is mounted on a vehicle windscreen facing out to the road. It records the events going on around your car onto a micro SD card and stores video evidence should incidents occur involving you. Dash cams automatically power up and record when you turn your engine on and automatically turn off and stop recording when you turn your engine off. Dash cams are powered through an accessory socket via a power cord. Premium dash cams can even continue recording while you are parked and away from your vehicle to catch vandals, hit and runs, offenders, and can monitor your garage. The sparked recording feature is enabled by hardwiring your dash cam to your car battery. A dash cam provides irrefutable video evidence that can protect you against false accusations after an incident, road rage, drunk drivers, and insurance fraud, just to mention a few. The video footage can also be used as evidence to assist removing bad drivers in your community of the roads, thus protecting everyone. After severe car incidents on our roads, we are increasingly hearing police crash investigators on radio or TV call on the public for dash cam footage. This video evidence is a vital tool to assist them in the investigation and piece together what happened on the road. This goes to show how beneficial and important dash cam footage can be. So, research in designing dashboards. Research on car dashboard interface design under the background of digitalization is a novel topic, which deserves systematic development from the perspectives of design, contents, methods, and flowchart, as well as abundant experimental validation. With the popularization of the internet technology, the car dashboards will bring new experiences in design contents and interactive technology, but are also faced with challenges. Nevertheless, with the technical progression, the human dashboard interaction will become increasingly efficient under the premise of safe driving. Personalized driving experience is a key trend in the field of dashboard design. So moving on to the constraints or the driving components for dashboard design in automobile industry. In the design of car dashboards, manufacturers typically start by thinking what will keep the customers on the right side of the law and what are the basic requirements for them. Then they consider what the customers are likely to aim for. These considerations determine the basics. Then cost, branding enters the equation. When you get a cast like the new Jag XJ, for example, cost becomes less of an issue compared with cutting edge appeal and the incredibly multifunction possibilities of the display, which can actually be customized to suit your tastes precisely, but unfortunately, registration limits what you're allowed to do in this regard. Engineering is of little concern as all dashboards are now pretty much fed by electronic pulses and sensors rather than mechanical gyrations. Essentially, it's down to legalities, requirements, branding, and costs. So important factors or objectives while designing dashboards. So the objective of automobile industry while making dashboards is to cater to the needs of its customers. According to a research survey on dashboards perception, it was found that material quality is the highest priority for customers because most of the customer requirements associated with attractive design, texture, color, wear, and tear resistance and scratch proof are linked to material quality. The second highest priority is dimensions, energy structure, because what customer needs is less vibration and less noise in a strong dashboard. The third priority is user-friendly dashboard and a convenient use of USB ports because customer wants the ports should be used comfortably, reliable and flexible design and efficient operating systems are related to distance to the access. So now we'll discuss a way Six Sigma statistical approach, which is a method for conceptual design synthesis of car dashboards. So the aim is to achieve essential function at the lowest overall cost while maintaining customers' optimal value assurance using this method. Six Sigma is a statistical approach to improving business processes by reducing defects and their causes in the manufacturing process. The focus of Six Sigma is on reducing variation that occurs in the manufacturing process to improve product quality and increase company profit. Automotive dashboard is one of the most important parts in vehicle interior parts. Automotive manufacturers need to consider the quality, cost, reliable design, and safety of the product while studying the conceptual design of automotive parts. The steps involved in the Six Sigma statistical approach are define the voice of the customer and the process map, measure the input characteristics, analyze the design concepts, then design the models, and then finally verify them. So here we have finally a special case study for dashboards, the usability of dashboards for elder drivers. The elder population is rising worldwide. No longer being able to drive is a significant marker of loss of independence. One of the approaches to helping elders drive more safely is to investigate the use of automotive user interface technology, and specifically to explore the instrument panel or dashboard display design to help attract and manage attention and make information easier to interpret. Dashboard displays can be better designed to support elder drivers, the information needs, and the cognitive capabilities. A study found that contrast of size and reduced clutter are instrumental in enhancing driving performance, particularly for the elder population. Impairments such as decay in vision, hearing, and general mobility issues which restrict range of motion and fine motor skills work to collectively reduce the performance of elderly drivers. In particular, elders face a decline in their ability to perform secondary tasks while driving, which require attention switching between the primary task of driving and the secondary task of looking at in-vehicle information displays, such as instrument panels or navigation displays. With technical opportunities of future in-vehicle systems, we expect that better display systems can be designed and deployed that help elder drivers in the future. These are the references that I've used, and this is the end of the presentation. So thank you for listening to the presentation.